This is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here, opening up some NFTs. One I won from a Waffle, and then three I just bought. But they're all three different. I've got a henna, a hanna, uh, standard pack. Make sure, yep, and a My Little Pony Premium and two Premium Jay and Silent Bob. But before we get into those, watch this and we'll be right back.
What's up, guys? Jeremy here from LSAPC and
Mitchie.
Hello, Mitchie.
Hi.
Guys, every year there are more than 10 million deaths worldwide due to cancer. That's 1 in 6 deaths.
There are more than 18 million new cancer cases diagnosed every year, and the number continues to rapidly grow.
Approximately 39.5% of men and women will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime.
Every one of us has been directly or indirectly affected by this deadly disease.
It's time to stand up together and fight. Through community action and fundraising, we can help supply the financial resources to the men and women who are fighting every day to improve treatment and hopefully find a cure.
So join us August 27th for our annual #FCancer fundraiser at youtube.com/LSAPC.
Together,
we can make a difference.
Yeah, we can.
And we're back. But yeah, so I've got 4 packs, 1 standard, 3 premiums, and I guess we'll open up the standard first. $10,473 of these. Now this is a 5-pack, just a standard. Snagglepuss uncommon. Dick Dastardly uncommon. George Jetson rare. And Max Token Head as Johnny Quest epic. And our last one is Jane Jetson common. All right. So not too bad. Now we'll open up My Little Pony, and then we'll just do the Jay and Silent Bobs. Now this one has 15 packs in there. Well, 16 because I've got the coin. So, cool. Fluttershy. Common. Common. Princess. Common. Splitfire. Man, a lot of commons. Uncommon. Derby. Common. Princess Celestia. Rare. Royalty Epic. Royalty Common. Tempest Shadow Common. Spitfire Rare. Princess Celestia Epic. Twilight Sparkle Common. Queen Celestia's Uncommon. Tempest Shadow Common. And our last one, Max Token Head Rare. So not too bad. open up. Let's open up the 4,000 one, the higher one. Jay and Silent Bob. Freddy Funko, common. Chronic, rare. Blunt Man, rare. Chronic, common. Moody Mascot, common. Jay, common. Silent Bob, common. Jay, common. Blunt Man, common. I think I already got that one. Chronic, common. Chronic, rare. Iron Bob, uncommon. Blunt Man, common. Iron Bob, common. And our last one is Silent Bob, epic. Well, no redeemables. But it starts the collection. And this is our last pack. Yeah, I got these on the drop. So I was lucky to get two. They were going pretty fast. Got Jay with no pants, uncommon. Got a legendary. It's the one I wanted. It's Jay with no pants. So we got one redeemable. Chronic, common. Freddy Funko with Moody Moose, common. Silent Bob with gas mask, common. Silent Bob, common, or rare. Sorry, rare. Chronic, epic. Blunt Man, rare. Iron Bob, uncommon. Jay with no pants, rare. Moody Mascot, uncommon. Silent Bob, common. Moody Mascot, uncommon. Jay, uncommon. And our last one is Silent Bob, uncommon. Well, not too bad. At least we got a legendary out of it. So, yeah, not too bad. So, yeah, that's my NFT openings, and hopefully the sound's working this time. I did some YouTube watching. Think I got it figured out. If not, please leave a comment. Let me know. Last time you had to turn it up really high to hear me or something like that. So, hoping I got it figured out. But yeah. So I just want to say, please smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified for next videos that are coming, and hit the like button. And mad love to everyone that has subscribed, and for the ones that will subscribe, mad love your way. Y'all have a good day or a good night, depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.